Kia ora, my name is Glenn Hauraki.
Ko Helena Nathan tōku ingoa.
Ko Jay Tuhi tōku ingoa.
Ko Muri Himuata tōku ingoa.
My name is Jacqueline Rewherewa. I'm a level 4 Kaiako and Waitakere.
When I'm teaching, I make a connection with them to bring them down to, somewhere where we both sit.
When you see the light bulb shine in their eyes and it's like, yes, they got it. They got it and they got it in their way.
Being here in Te Wānanga Aotearoa, we're able to teach people how to go back to those natural resources to help look after themselves.
Before they come in, they have a mindset and the track is more like a tunnel. And when they come in and they learn about the rongoa and the different things that they're able to do for themselves, it's empowering for them so that their vision is no longer a tunnel vision. They see the full view and how they can help themselves, help their families and help the different communities that they're a part of.
The big thing with Te Wānanga is you're able to, I suppose, share openly, share without any restrictions is huge.
Making those connections with tauira, it's amazing. They might not be getting a certain thing for, a while, and then one day they just go, oh, I've got it. And you just say to them, I knew you had it, you just had to come out. But yeah, seeing those moments, it's satisfying. There's a wide variety of people coming through, and it's awesome to see. Te Wānanga Aotearoa is a kaupapa Māori, and it's comfortable. It's a comfortable place to work in and to learn in. If there's any training we need, they organise that for us to get us to where we need to be.
Being connected with a vast whānau at the wā of all the programs, so it's a place where you want to learn.
I really enjoy the culture here at the Wānanga. Being a kaupapa Māori, the values are upheld in all the different areas of the Wānanga, and that's a good thing to see. It's not like a job, it's like coming to a second home and just you're relaxed at work, there's no stress. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend coming to Te Wānanga Aotearoa.